was the first assignment that you submitted. The canvas is divided in 3 equal parts, as the width of each bend is almost same. Band is almost same. So I would recommend creating variety. That is very important in abstract art. So variety in sizes, variety in shape. So for example, here my mind is set that I want to go for horizontal lines only, or horizontal planes only. So here the horizontal planes could have been of different sizes. So little variety in size would have created more interest. Talking about the color scheme, I like the color scheme here. So it's going gray, and then there is this blue and the warm background. So anything which is closer is warm, anything which is receding back is cooler and gray in color. That is fine. Let's look at the current version of the same painting that you uploaded. Okay. So what you did is you added more brighter colors around this area and more of reflection of the sun coming down. Well, I personally feel this was not necessary. I think you did because of the review given by Aarti, but for me, the earlier color scheme was working much better. This fine lines here of yellow and some red, this you could have just added those lines, whereas no change in color was needed. I think the colors were working beautiful. It's just that some fine crisp line would add more to the entire painting. But overall, I think it's good. See, whenever we do abstract painting, the concept or the thought process behind it plays the most important role. That is the 70%. 30% is what actually your painting looks like. But 70% is what were you thinking, why you have chosen particular color, why only a horizontal or a vertical composition. So these are certain questions that you must be able to answer. Like if I ask you why you just did horizontal division, why you did equal division, why certain colors, why certain palette used. So you must be able to justify these questions. If you are able to justify, that means this is a very thoughtful painting. And like I said yesterday, in abstract art there is nothing right or wrong. So for me, this painting is also correct. For me, the other one, the new one, is also correct. It's just that which appeals more. So to me, so this will always differ person to person. To me, this painting appeals more because my choice of palette is very subtle. But maybe for someone else, the later submitted painting will appeal more because of their choice of color, etc. So being an artist, you cannot produce paintings of what people like or how people want it. You need to produce painting how you want it. So being an abstract artist, you must portray what you like, what you feel is correct, and you must be able to justify it. I hope I'm clear, it's not too confusing. And whenever you submit the next assignment, just let me know. I'll go through and make a video and share it.